Update Dst Underlay. This tool is useful to update underlay of Dst design. With this tool, you can reduce stitches in Dst design. Here you can see a Dst design. And let's hide the sequin from the design. You can see that the design is completely Dst. Let's turn on the sequin again. Here you can see there are 12,000 something stitches in the design. Now let's select the design and press the Update Dst Underlay button. Now you can see that after using this function, 2,000 something stitches have been reduced. This function increases the tracking length in the Dst design.